Hello fam. Welcome. My name is Magdaline Janet. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time. And come visit me on TikTok and Instagram because I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to my oldies but goodies. So you guys asked and you will receive this battle of the powders. So Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom versus Huda Beauty Peach Pie. We know this powder is long wearing, it blurs, it mattifies. They both retail for $38 or $36. Oh my god, I just read it. I'll put it here on the screen. You guys know I always got you, and I will tag everything and link everything down below for you. So let's see how it works out. You guys know I'm medium to tan skin tone, and both pink and peach can work. I don't think one is off more than the other, but when we compare it, we can really see at the same time if one looks better than the other. Who knows? I like both. I think they both work out very well. So let's see. Before we get started, let me tell you what I have on my skin, and then we'll get the ball rolling. I have the One Size Secure the Glow New Hydrating Primer. This doesn't release till the 23rd. Added this on the skin. I literally pat this primer in because I do find this is the best way it's going to work, and then I let it dry down. Then I went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the bronzer shade in Beautiful Bronze. Added that all over the face. Then I went in with the Huda Beauty Concealer. I'm in the shade Cookie Dough 4.3N. Oh my gosh, this concealer is so amazing. I don't have a lot of creases. It provides good coverage, but it's lightweight. It's pigmented. Oh, and I added it all over. You guys know I'm still channeling the Amaya Colon makeup style. I really been liking it. Then I blend everything out. I first start off with a brush, which is the number 56 from the Sephora collection, to blend out the bronzer on my cheeks and on my forehead. Then I go in with a sponge, my Beauty Blender sponge, to blend out the concealer. And I'm like, wait, I want some blush. So I'm using here the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Pinky Promise. Just add it on the tops of my cheeks. Blend that business out. Here we are, ready to go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let me show you on my phone the differences in colors, because I feel like here on camera, well, I guess I can show you. I don't think you get the gist. Like pink and then peach. I don't know. We need to see on the phone. All right, familia. Ooh, you see the differences? So pink, it's like a bright pink with a cool undertone, you know, because that's what pink is. And peach, it looks warm, but it has such a great neutral undertone, which is why I really fell in love with it, because look at them, look at them. And you know a powder is good if it sticks onto your fingers. Powder, you want it to look like baby powder, and when it sticks like this, you know it is very finely milled. Finely milled powders are important because that texture, that very flowery texture, really gets into all the lines of your face, whether it's your eyes, whether it's your laugh lines, your mouth area, around the nose. That's why we want a very finely milled powder. You guys know we're going to powder up with these bad boys, and let me make sure everything's blended so we can get this ball rolling. Okay, we are ready to set the skin. We're gonna start off with the pink. Pink for the win. This is how the pink looks. You know what, let me grab the peach too while we're at it so you can see it on the, here they are. Pink, peach. Ooh, you always want to really press this powder in so it applies evenly. I am so excited. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm gonna bake a little bit. So I'm gonna look straight ahead, look up, go around my eye. After that bake is kind of there, I just want to press it in and blend it out. Then I'm just gonna go here on the top of my forehead and then set the rest of the face. Okay, you can just see how good this powder is. You see that matte effect? Okay. Looking good. And now peach. Let me make sure. They honestly both smell the same too. So we're gonna look straight ahead, look up, ahead, straight ahead I mean, and then here. And then we're gonna set the rest of the face. We're gonna press. Pressing will really lock in your makeup and also make it look flawless instead of going like this, because this most likely will move your makeup around and around. I don't like to leave my bake on for too much, but what I wanna do is kind of just like this a little bit and just kind of leave it. Since I'm doing this little experiment, I'm like, isn't peach just melting in a little bit better with even with all this powder on top? Huh. Okay. Okay. Here, let me get rid of this because I do not need to be baking this long. It was for demonstration purposes. I'm kind of feeling this little competition. I've been seeing it all over. I was like, you know what? I need to do this because you guys like my reviews. And you know, I'm thorough. Oh yeah, you can see this pink. Now that like everything's really in, hold on, let me blend this. It looks funky because my eyelashes, you know, but I'm gonna fix that really. Okay. I feel like pink is giving us more of a highlighted look. Peach is settling in so naturally to my skin tone. Versus this one's a little bit highlighted. It is meshing into my skin tone well too. I don't know, what do you think? Okay fam, it is 11:09. I'm gonna finish up the face, speed it up a little bit, and then I'll be back. All right, fam, skin is looking good. I'm kind of liking my makeup today. I think it looks really nice, and I straightened my hair. I have not straightened my hair in a long time, but I'm like, you know what? Let's see how it works, you know? Pink side, we have peach side. No, I think I'm a peach girl. I'm just a peach girl. Something about the concealer and or powder, it's not working well. You can see this darkness through. I don't like that. I think it's probably the concealer. When you bake and when you use a lot of powder, you have to also use creams that are kind of thicker. Both just like work well together. And the Huda Beauty concealer is very pigmented, but it has a very thin texture. I should have let it probably dry a little bit longer. So just the FYI, this is just like a mishap for today because I should have used like an hourglass type of concealer, something that has a thicker texture, and really let it dry down. The skin, both sides look good, but can you see a difference with the pink here versus the peach? Let me look. I don't see, I mean, I see a slight difference. I just feel like the peach is melting into the skin so much, I don't know, better, not better, but maybe more seamless than the pink. The pink could probably work a little bit better for someone that has a lighter complexion, maybe like a tone or two. I don't think either one is bad. Let's wear test and see because I don't see much of a difference right now. Let me know, do you? Let me see these under eyes. Oh yeah, under eyes look good. They look smooth. Besides like that darkness I was telling you about, and then lids look good. Yeah, these powders are literally the same too. It's just the color. Wait, my lip. Here is 610 Versatile Chestnut and then Cocoa Zing from Maybelline. Just go in front of the window. Okay, I'm at the window. I don't know if you can see the difference. This is peach. Peach side. Peach, 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 peach. Here's pink. Pinky, pinky. Do you see a difference? I don't. Honestly, I think it looks really good, both sides. Peach and pink, all up in my nose. I don't know, let's wear. I mean, I don't think a wear test will make a difference, but might as well. Okay, we're gonna act like there wasn't lipstick in my teeth because I just saw the footage, but it's okay, it's okay. Hey you guys, it's been about 5 hours. I just wanted to do a quick last check-in. This is the skin. Here's the pink powder. The peach powder. Somehow, I mean, I feel like the peach powder just looks so much better. I don't know, just melts into the skin a little bit better, and I think it just meshes so much better with my skin tone. The pink isn't bad, but I don't know, it's a slight difference, just slight. And we definitely don't look gastadas. I mean, although it's only been like 5 hours, we looking good, we looking good. But oh my god, the phone just fell. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me. Thank you for requesting this video, and I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button there or there. I don't know what side it is, and I'll see you next one. Bye.